What up, YouTube? Check it out, y'all. We got a new little season that's gonna be coming in. This is the introduction of the season, y'all. So check it out, man. We got these two boxes right here, y'all. Gonna be doing the opening of these boxes from bicycleengines.com, y'all. So let me get y'all. Let me get y'all set up, y'all. So we're gonna be doing the unboxing and everything here. Check it out, man. All right, y'all. So basically, let me get y'all right over here. Sorry for the wait. All right, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start right there. So we got right here. We're gonna open up the first box. All right, y'all. Y'all can see right there. Let me put y'all a little bit more up. Already. So this is the first box, y'all. That's all that we got in this box. We got this exhaust right here, y'all. Check it out, you know. So on here we'll get the blue and purple, y'all. I forgot the name of this one here, y'all. I forgot the name. No, the actual name of it, but later once I find the real name, we'll get it there. But check out that pipe right there, y'all. Pipe's looking pretty good, so I'm gonna set that aside. So yeah, man, real nice looking pipe. Purple and blue. I don't think it came with any gaskets. Just the pipe by itself. You gotta supply your own bolts and gaskets. So that's what comes in there. Yeah, you supply your own bolts and gaskets. And now we got this one right here, y'all. This is the main one right here. Alrighty, y'all, so let's see what we got in here. We got the receipt. Got the receipt, y'all. $10 off your next order. Pretty good. And this is what we got right here in the box, what you're about to see. Right there, y'all, the Phantom Wraith. Instructions here. So we got this all boxed up, as you can see. A lot of different boxes. Just kind of go into this one without taking too much stuff out. So let me kind of see what's in here. I could already see. This is your tank, y'all. Like they call it, the peanut style. I don't like using these very too much because they've cracked on me before. But it's a good little starter tank, get you going. And anyways, I'm going to be doing this on a built-in tank bike. And then we got, I want to show y'all everything. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of leave this in the package, but here's the CDI right here, y'all. Got that purple on there. So that's the first box out there. Let's see this one right here. Alright, yeah. So right away, you got your intake here. There's your intake. Now, I'm not gonna take it out. Like I said, I don't want to lose the bolts or nothing. There's a gasket for your muffler. Your muffler here, y'all. Bunch of little stuff in here. The grips, clutch lever right here. Muffler mount. We got the cable tightener here, the chain tightener, and we got the kill switch. Chain guard, gasket, and then we have the other grip right here, y'all. Right here we have the chain for the motor right here, y'all. Got it in that nice purple finish. Y'all can see it there. Not too bright, but definitely got that purple finish on it. So yeah, everything's coming together. Put that there. Alright, y'all. So there's the main one right here. The main box right here. Now here's your other piece for your muffler, your pipe right here, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this one first for braking. I don't wanna do no tuning to it. Just run it stock the way it comes. Then later on I'm gonna add some parts to it. Let's see what we got right here. 36 sprocket. I should have had the, I feel like there's a box missing. Because I ordered the clutch. Oh, it's right there. Give me that picture, man. All your to install your sprocket and your motor mounts. Yeah, performance clutch plate. Oh, it's in here. It's in here. They put it in here. Got your cable, throttle cables, clutch cable. Like all these, y'all, I'm gonna just install it. But later on, I'm gonna be doing, you know, purple and all that. But ain't nothing wrong with these. They come out the box. They work. Got the carburetor right here. the carburetor right there, y'all. And then also with the carburetor, got the air intake right there, y'all. Now y'all be seeing all this out the covers because I'm gonna be doing a whole nother video. This right now is just the unboxing. We're both looking at it. We're all looking at it together. Got it there. Check that out, y'all. Got the fuel line. Got a gas cap, spark plug, the pit cop. We got the muffler mount, or I believe, I'm not too sure what this is. Oh, maybe, I don't know what that is, yo, but something in there. Looks like you got a spark plug, a wrench. You know, it's basically your full kit, y'all. Let's take this out next. Now this is the clutch plate right here that I ordered. So this I'll be putting on later on. That's the clutch plate. High performance clutch plate there, y'all. But all those will be parts for later. Let me bring this up here. There it is right here, y'all. Make a little roll. It's heavy. I don't want to take it out the package yet, y'all, but I'm going to bring y'all in. That's that Phantom Wraith 85. I've been looking at this Phantoms for a long time. Finally got this Phantom Wraith right here, y'all. The 85. So I'm gonna check it out, see what it does. And we'll see how it does, y'all. Y'all be seeing this out the bag pretty soon. And then here we got the cylinder right here. Piston. Yeah, so I am gonna have to assemble this. Alright, let's take this out, y'all. We got the head right there, y'all. And for the box, that's it. We got the gasket in here, y'all. So you got your gasket in there as well. Your gasket. So it's the complete kit. Get it on your bike. Break it in. And get it going, y'all. So pretty cool, man. Not too bad. I'm real happy about it. And they are on sale right now, man. $2.99. So go grab y'all one. So goodbye. I'm gonna see what it's all about. So I'm happy with it. It's gonna go good. And then I got the bike that it's gonna go on. Let me give y'all a little look, and then that's about it for this video. So this is the bike it's gonna be going on right here, y'all. So we're gonna figure everything out. This bike right here, y'all. So it's gonna have purple grips. It's gonna be bad, man. We're gonna try to get this going. So already, man, y'all be staying tuned for this build, because basically I'm gonna try to make videos every time I do something, and I might do a little bit behind the scenes because I'm trying to learn myself, you know, so I don't want to teach people the wrong way. So I'll get this built up, clean it up. Put some lube. I believe it's best you put some 2-stroke oil in there already and lube it up, you know, get it moving, get some oil already in it. That way it's, when you do that first start, it's already been lubed up and ready to go, man. So yeah, there it is. I don't want to lose nothing, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for right now. There she is, the Phantom Wraith 85, man. Y'all gonna see me pretty soon. I'm gonna be making videos with this one. I'll have it up running pretty soon, y'all. So stay tuned, and thank you all for watching. That's the full kit there, and I went ahead and ordered this separate for later on use. I'll throw that on later on, you know. And also, like I said, the clutch right here, y'all. So I got 2 performance parts ready to go on it once after, you know, I break it in and stuff. So it's gonna be ready. So all right, man, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace, man. Thanks for watching. Latest.